One of the most pressing issues for wildlife conservation in Botswana is human-wildlife conflict. Children grow up seeing elephants destroying their families' crops and lions killing their families' livestock, leading to a feeling of resentment towards wildlife. To change this, environmental education, in line with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, is important in uplifting rural children to empower them to take responsibility for conservation of the environment. With the goal of creating Botswana's future environmental stewards, Elephants for Africa runs an educational program at 3 local primary schools and 1 junior secondary, teaching children ecological concepts and environmental problems through fun games and hands-on activities, increasing environmental awareness whilst also sensitizing children to future employment opportunities available in conservation.